Hi, it's Kelly at Kiss Looms. I just want to make a quick video to show you how to put together your triangle looms. I'm going to be putting together a 6-foot loom, which has a couple extra bolts in the top. But you can also see from this video how you would put together any of our other sizes that don't have those 2 bolts at the top. So when you get your loom, you're going to have 2 pieces like this that are longer on any of the sizes. So you're going to take those 2 pieces. You want to put them together like this so the nails are as close together as they can be. And those are going to be your 2 sides. When those pieces are placed like that, this bottom, will overlap right here. So that is the bottom of your loom. So when you place those like that, you'll be ready to do your top. Now the top, same thing. Nails will always be closest to the center of your loom, and the logo will be facing outwards. So once you have these 2 side boards in place, the 2 top boards can only go one way. And you can see in the middle here that on the 6-foot, these 2 boards overlap right here at the center and get bolted in the center. And then each of your corners will line up. If you're having a problem with anything lining up, chances are you have turned one of these boards around. There is only one way that it can actually fit together and bolt together correctly. So it's likely that you've got one of the boards with the nails closest to the outside of the loom instead. So just make sure that those are always towards the center and you will have your loom set up correctly. Thank you. Have a good day.